Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. I just wanted to let everyone know that last night I did post exam number one, and I just wanted to take a little time to go over it and to remind you that you have some homework and discussion due in the next few days. I'm going to give you a little more time to do the discussion, so just get that in by the third, and make sure that you have completed it by then. And then exam one on chapters 1, 3, 4, 7, and 8 are due on March 4th. As a reminder, I posted a little video on Friday. I posted an extra little review of carbohydrates in particular. And exam one has been posted as well. Now, this is a little bit different than, exams that you've probably taken before. What you have here, I've put sentence length, length of the number of sentences, lengths of answers. You might prefer to respond to some of these questions, in diagram format, through pictures. You are welcome to draw any sort of picture and take a screenshot of it, and those sorts of things as well. As long as you're writing in words and labeling everything really well, then that's totally fine. And since this is, our first go around of this, you are very welcome to send me any questions you have along the way, or kind of ask if how things are looking. But please don't leave this till the last second. The exam is more of a paper than an actual exam that should take you a few days to really do well. So you have 10 questions. Each question is worth 10 points. So just make sure you're getting in there, really answering questions as well as you can. And I really look forward to reading through all of them soon. Take care, everyone. Have a great week.